Welcome back. It is 6:14 this morning. Big name investment firms are raising red flags about the economy, and it has a lot to do with President Trump's latest moves in the trade war. Goldman Sachs now says there's a 45% chance of a recession. That's up from 35%. Meanwhile, JP Chase is even more concerned, putting that number at 60%, but only if the new tariffs actually go into effect. So we're about 3 hours, 15 minutes from the opening bell as investors wait for the next domino to fall in reaction to Trump's tariffs. Take a look at how the morning futures look so far. Green on the board is something we have not seen a lot of. The Dow Jones at about plus 646, the NASDAQ up about 150 points. And we're coming off another wild ride on Monday. The Dow closed 349 points down on Monday compared to that 2,000 point plunge on Friday. Also on Monday, the S&P 500 finished slightly down, but the NASDAQ saw a small gain by the closing bell. Overnight, global markets managed to bounce back a little bit after a rough day of steep losses. In some cases, we saw the worst drop in decades. These gains came despite President Trump's threatening even more tariffs on China, a potential 50% hit unless China backs off its own 34% tariff on U.S. goods. This morning, China fired back saying it would fight to the end.